Sithome ngokuthi lo chani bonke abalandeli nababukeli be-Dope Hot and Fresh, your favorite online channel that brings you everything that's happening in our community. We're uplifting the community, yes, we're all about that. Bega, if it's Dope Hot and Fresh, we've got to talk about it. Bega lalela, this is our last game. Betal Top 8 Soccer Tournament la behlangane khona iRedbird neMrover United FC. La khona kubhaxabulwa abantu kabuhlungu kabi. Redbird kuyashaya khona iMrover United FC ngo-2-0 kujiwa no bakho yena aya kwini. Hey bega, it's the road to semi-final. Ake sibheka ama-highlights before sikunikeza ukuthi ku-semi-final ubani uzoba bambane nobani, ubani uzoba shabani, ubani uzoba khalisa abantu ngoba kuyokhala umuntu asiyakhona.
Mphathi siyabonga kakhulu kuba khona kwenu endaweni yaseMzinoni. Ujabu lo wakajele ucoach weRedbirds sisuka le wena size la i-23 uzodlala ibhola i-top 8, but we are happy because indlela abaperforme ngayo, they are always behind the ball, ba-attack all out, they are marking all out, they are working very good as a team. No one was showing the attitude. They have followed the procedures that were supposed to be followed as a players. So sibonga kakhulu nje ukuthi nibe khona nani nisekele nani nisiveze ukuthi sibonakale emhlabeni wonke nathi siyazama lapho sikhona eMpumalanga ukuthi ibhola libonakale ukuthi liyakhula. Siyabonga bafowethu. Igama lami ngithabanga uDankeni ngakwamthweni hlale welazi i-team yalaBhetali ingawa ngibiza ngathi iMrover United represent iBhetali. Mina bengidlalile iFriday 13 i-team ebiparticipate lapha kubo 2017 to 2018 2019 yaphela ngabona ukuthi njengoba ngimncane sona ibhola lami beliselikhulu kabi ngisafuna ukwenza ukukhulu ebholeni ngathi ngcono ngivusa i-team yabafana abancane. Ngiyajabula uma ngifaka ama-tournament anjengalawa ngoba ama-tournament anjengalawa njengomuntu sesene-hope ebholeni angigcugcuzele ukuthi ngikhulise intwana ngiparticipate nami ngisesemncane ngingakagugu kuyaphi ngoba vele laBhetali ngifuna ukubona nje kune-team enkulu edlala kubo PSL edlala i-professional football. Ngibona nje bengidlala ngama-young stars ku-tournament ye-under 19 ngiphethe abafana abanganabo 17 years for ukuthi ba-develop. Igame yanamuhla beyimnandi noma ngidliwe nje mara nje emoyeni ngizize ngidliwe ngizamile ngidlala ngabafana aba-right nokuluza amagoli lapha ku-striker lapha striker zami bezinganawo amandla ngoba bayintwana manje singakhona ukushaya ibhola eligcwele mara hayi ngiyabonga nje ukuthi nami bangifake i-tournament njengeMrover United. Ilanga lanamuhla belimnandi noma ngabe nje isimo semvula ngesiloko sisiphazamisa kuba nomoya lapha nalapha ngosinika ama-game challenge mara nje simajita athanda ibhola sidevelop ebholeni kumele siwajwayele ama-weather condition. Hayi siyabonga nangelinye ilanga ngathi ngingaphinda nisenzele okuhle into enhle le benisenzele yona. Siyabonga siyiMrover United. Yebo.
Wambe kanjalo kumdlalo wesine wa-4 game la bekuhlangane khona iRedbird ihlangane khona neMrover United FC la kushawe khona kabuhlungu ezaseMrover zashawa ngo-2-0 bathelana nokubuyekha yami lalela road to semi-final. I-semi-final ime kanje kuthiwa makuqala kwenziwa itoss laphayana kuthiwa ubani uhlangana nobani ekuseni, ubani uhlangana nobani emini, ubani uya ku-final. Kwathiwa lapha all nation izobe ihlangane neRedbird. The second game, New Generation izobe ihlangane neWinter Roses. Bheka, leave a comment your prediction usitshele ukuthi ubani uya kuma-final, ubani othatha le top 8. Bheka, don't forget to subscribe, like and share our work sokwazi ukuthi nathi sikhule sikhuthale sikwazi ukuthi sikunikeze lo msebenzi senze even more. We are dope, hot and fresh. Till next time, bheka sihlangane lapha kuma final sikwazi ukukulethela wazi ukuthi usemi final ubani ubhaqabulo ubani final ubani ophumelela ku final, also with the interviews. We bring you exclusive Petal Top 8 Soccer Tournament. These are highlights. All right?